Hello and welcome to another episode of Momento Malum. Today, the rose apple is a species found in the heart of Southeast Asia, particularly Vietnam. It's a fruit tree that produces fruit that is known for its crisp and fragrant flavor and texture, with a wide level of variation. Due to the current trend towards commercial crops within the region, the traditional rose apple cultivars of Vietnam are slowly disappearing. This formed a great interest in resuscitating the species through the preservation of existing cultivars for further improvement and genetic analysis. The genetic variation within any species, especially cultivated ones, are a primary source of the genetic improvements both in the wild and in the farm. This is the reason why this channel has talked extensively about genetic diversity trends across many cultivated species. In the cited study, researchers collected 16 rose apple samples from 14 cultivars across Vietnam to compare their morphological traits and analyze their genetic diversity using the ISSR genetic marker technology. From a morphological standpoint, there was a great deal of variation found in the fruit shape, size, and color, but the biggest variation was found in the genetic code. Using ISSR markers, the researchers found 102 unique DNA bands, and the genetic variation within those regions ranged between 57% and 100%, meaning that the genetic difference between these bands ranged between 57% different and 100% different, depending on the band. The same genetic analysis grouped the varieties into two main clusters. The populations were found to share 64% of their genetics with each other, with the remaining genetic information being different. Group A had two subgroups. The A1 subpopulation had lines that were on average 72% genetically similar to each other, and the A2 subpopulation had lines that were on average 75.8% genetically similar to each other. Within Group B, the members of the population had a genetic similarity rating between 72% and 82.3%. This ultimately means that there's still a great deal of variation that can be used to breed new cultivars and preserve the species into the future. And that about covers everything. Thank you for watching. If you want to donate to my channel, the links are below. If you want to buy my book, you can also find that link in the description box below.